Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you want to start making money online but don't know where to begin. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can launch your first online side hustle today, step by step, no experience needed. So first of all, you need to pick your skill or your interest. So if you are good at writing, designing or editing, or you just love talking about the products, it is great. You need to choose something that you enjoy or want to learn. You don't need to be perfect in it. You just have to start it. Now, the second step would be choosing your platform. Now, based on the area of interest, you will see a bunch of different platforms that you can utilize as your side hustles. For example, if you want to sell your services, you can choose the platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. If you want to create content, you can start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram page. For products, you can seek help from Etsy and Amazon, and you can even create your own Shopify store. You need to keep it simple and focus on just one platform first. Now, the third step would be setting up your profile or store. Whichever platform you have chosen, you need to create a clean profile with a photo, short intro, and what you offer. You need to use the free tools like Canva to design the logos, the thumbnails, or social media posts, and you need to keep things professional but simple. Also, start by offering your skills for free or at low prices just to build the trust and reviews. You need to give more than expected, and this actually helps you stand out and grow faster. So, in the fourth step, you need to offer something valuable. Now, the fifth step would be promoting daily. You need to share your work on social media, you need to tell friends or join the free online communities. And remember that consistency is the key here. Do not wait for success, go after it every single day. And that's how you can launch your first side hustle today. Just do not overthink it, just pick something, set it up, and start posting or offering your service. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.